Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a digital business card in Canva. And I'm going to show you a few ways, not only using Canvas templates, but also using Creative Fabrica. So first of all, you need to have a Canva account, a free or a pro version, it doesn't matter. Of course, the pro version has a lot of beautiful various business cards designs, but you can also do this with a free version too. So the first thing you need to do, and first of all, the digital business card is different from a normal business card because it has one normal side, and on the other side there is a QR code to all the information about your business and your website, for example. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna add a QR code. So the first thing is to go to Canva and in the search bar write down digital business card, and here are many different options to choose from. You can create a digital business card like this one, or a bigger one like this one, which works really well on mobile phone. So today I'm going to show you a few options. So I'm going to choose this one and this one. So this is the retro one, and this is a more sophisticated minimal design. So let's dive into. So this is the front of your business card, and you can actually put a QR code also here, but we will focus on this side now. So basically you're gonna write down your name, for example, like in this example, Olivia Wilson. You're gonna write down who you are, and right here you're gonna write down your website, or it's your Instagram. Here is your website, and here is your email. Now it can be for your phone and address, or maybe you don't want to write your address, so if you work online. So we can actually put a QR code maybe right here. So we're gonna go to QR code /monkey.com, and here you can create QR codes for free without signing up, and it's really easy to do. So first of all, you need your URL, so your website's URL if you have one. So I'm not gonna put any of it for the sake of this video. This will be like an example. You can set the colors, so you can change the QR code color. So for example, in this it's like a beige color. You can actually do something like that. And the color background. Let's create like a beige one. Now you can add a logo if you want to. So you can add like a YouTube one, or like an Instagram one. But for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna put that. You can customize design and choose the QR code like with the dots, but I think this looks like the best. Also, this one is like more minimalist, so I'm gonna choose this one. And now you can create a QR code, and as you can see, it's really simple. I'm gonna choose this one, and you're gonna click on download PNG. Now we're gonna put a QR code, I think, right here, because it's the only place. And here I'm gonna upload my files and put it right here. So here's the information to your website. Now for this side, we can actually put this page and have a QR code. So I'm just gonna move it a little bit up. And now let's go to the page 2, and you're gonna click on share, and you're gonna click on template link and copy. So the person who scans your QR code can go to this page instantly. So you're gonna go to QR code monkey and gonna enter the content. Now you're gonna create and download PNG again. Now here on the front page, we're gonna upload this design. We're gonna save it and upload it right here. Of course, you can customize the colors, you can change the fonts and so on right here. You can change the background color, maybe to match a little bit more the QR code. But let's leave it like it was. So that's basically that, and after that, you can share your business card with a template link. You can download it as PNG or any of these, like PDF. And now I'm going to show you another way to create a business card. You're going to go to creativefabrica.com, and here on the search bar, you're going to write down digital Instagram business, digital business card. So Creative Fabrica is actually a really good way if you are lazy to do it all the design yourself, but you want a really beautiful template for free. Well, not for free, but when you sign up to Creative Fabrica, it's like $19 a month, and you can use everything from here for free. So here you can find a better templates than on Canva, because they are already created and really beautiful ones. So now you can go here on Creative Fabrica, and let's click on this one. Basically, you can download the template and edit it, and open it on Canva, edit it, and then download it and use it for your business. So that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna leave a link to Creative Fabrica in the description below. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.